Every eye-catching post you see online often hides a carefully constructed backdrop. And now you'll learn how to build one yourself from scratch. How to create social media pattern backdrops. Open Photoshop and create a canvas sized for your platform, such as 1080 by 1080 pixels for square posts. Choose a simple shape tool like circles or rounded rectangles and place one element near the center, setting a vibrant fill color that matches your brand palette. Duplicate the shape multiple times and arrange copies evenly across the canvas using alignment controls so spacing looks intentional rather than random.